everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's back with another quick and easy kit. This is one of my favorites. I absolutely love the colors. This is the Hello Fall Wreath. I love this bright turquoise and the oranges, and this would just really pop on anyone's door. Not to mention, it's going to be very easy to make. So everything that you need will be included in your kit except for your wreath. So if you're wanting to use a grapevine wreath or add it to an existing wreath that you have already, that's great. These are available on shopdeeslouisville.com for purchase if you need one. So we're going to start out with our metal sign that says Hello Fall, and it has this nice little jute cord. And you can kind of decide where you want it positioned. Now, because my cord was just a little bit longer, I went in with a piece of wire that we included in the kit, and I wrapped that around the jute string hanger here in order to shorten it up a little bit so that the drop would land in the right place on my wreath. So I caught it about right there. You can let it go a little lower, a little higher, whatever you would like. So we're just going to take that wire and wrap that around our wreath to secure our sign. Wrap that nice and tight. I'm going to trim off that excess wire back here. And then to make sure that it's really secure and it doesn't move back and forth, I took another little piece of wire and just caught that through my wreath and threaded it right through this little hole where the jute is running through. And you just twist tie that just like a bread tie to hold that on there nice and secure so you don't have to worry about it flopping back and forth on your door. So next up, we have this amazing leaf stem. It's really pretty. You get a lot of leaves and foliage and the beautiful berries. I like the mixture. I like the bright colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this. I'm going to remove that one long piece, and then we'll leave this little section here. So we're going to start out. We're just going to put a little glue on our stem. I'm going to go right in here and just tuck that right in. And then, of course, as always, you just want to fluff it up and make sure you bring those stems to life. Next, we are going to take this beautiful little pumpkin stem. Has some berries, a few little sticks, and some leaves, some little flowers on there. I'm going to trim that off. And again, we're just going to put this all in as one on this stem. Put a little glue. We're going to tuck that right in there. Go back with the other part of our leaf stem. Put a little glue on there. And then tuck that right into our wreath. So we're kind of doing that little quarter up at the top. But again, you can position it anywhere that you would prefer. So then we have these gray turquoise berries. They're really pretty. And I love that pop of color added into fall. We're going to put a little glue on the end of this stem. Tuck some right over here. Open those up. Take our next stem. Put a little glue on that tip. I'm going to tuck that in right up there. And last but not least, we're going to take our last one and we're going to add a little color over in this direction. So everything that you need as far as your picks have been placed. You've got your sign in. And last but not least, we have our gray ribbons that we're going to use. So we have this really bright, fun orange, this polka dot, and this plaid that looks just amazing. So we're going to start out with our plaid. So you're going to want to leave a tail. I like to leave a little bit of a generous tail when we start out so that it can kind of flow over into that. So pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. Then I'm going to add in my pretty bright orange. Again, I'm going to leave a tail there. Twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And last but not least, we have our cute little turquoise polka dot. And again, I'm going to leave a little bit hanging out, a little bit longer than normal, so that I can make a little bit run over this way in the wreath. So we've got our bow all made. This is a really easy mixed bow. We're going to take our wire, wrap this around nice and tight, and pull that really good and tight to hold that bow secure. Now you can place your bow anywhere you want. I'm going to kind of bend my pumpkin up there, and I'm going to place my bow right in this area. And I just wrap that wire around the wreath and secure that bow right into our florals. So we can kind of go through and you can bend your ribbon. I'm going to kind of pull that one behind that pumpkin, send one that way, and we're going to let this one kind of stick up. So you want to make sure that you trim your tails. And then we're going to go through and take our plaid and our polka dot and just kind of catch that in here. So you just kind of drop down, go back in, make a loop. You have your excess there. And then that creates that little cascading down of the ribbon. And I've just taken a little piece of wire here to secure that onto my wreath. And then I'm going to do it one more time. I'm just going to leave a little drop. And we're going to wire this one off. Just run that little wire right through the grapevine. And again, you're just going to wrap it around there and twist tie that to hold that nice and snug into place. And then just trim your tails, and you can leave them as short or as long as you would like. And this wired ribbon is great because you can kind of curl it and make it go as you please. So here you have it, your Hello Fall Quick and Easy Wreath by Dee's. Check it out at shopdeeslouisville.com.